Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 44. Today we are learning unit 5 part 3 inheritance. Let's check the syllabus once again. This is the syllabus. In previous lecture 6 topics are completed, lecture 42 and 43. In today's lecture we will learn another 3 topics: inheritance, class diagrams, data encapsulation. Let's get into the today's lecture. Coming to the first one, inheritance. So what is meant by inheritance means new class acquiring the same properties of from the parent class, right? So here you are acquiring the properties of some other objects, right? So let's check this. Here inheritance is ability to define a new class. So define a new class that is modified version of existing class. New class inherits the methods from the existing class. So existing class is called parent, new class is called child. So this is parent class inherits the child classes, right? So that is inheritance. Here create one class hand. This is hand class from the deck object. So in the inside the hand class define self. What is the label? It is empty string. Self dot cards are right empty list. Self dot label equal to label. So whatever the label you are giving, so like that, suppose I am playing player 1 hand. This is player 1 hand, this is label. Next player 2, this is player 2 hand label, this is the one label. Similarly player 3, like that, how many players you are playing, like that. So based on the label you are initializing, right? Here creating one another object, right? Hand class, by using hand class with a new hand. Player 1 one hand, player 2 another hand. So print the hand of cards, so print the hand of label. So for example this is player 2, right? So create one object by using the deck class. Card equal to, from the object I am deleting the card, and in another hand I am adding the card. So print the hand. So what is that? King of spades. So what you are releasing the card on the deck, so the other hand will receive the same card or it will collect from the other deck. So like that inheritance will work. So here I am moving the cards, self and number. So from the range starting to 54, so hand dot add card is self dot pop the card. So after popping the card from the one hand, this is placed to the another hand. So that is inheritance. So coming to the class diagrams, here hand is there, deck is there, card is there. So this arrow is represents is a relationship. This one is a relationship, and normal arrow indicates has a relation. So this is a relation, this is has a relation. The star indicates multiplicity. That means how many cards on the deck has, right? So how many cards are available, that will indicates star, right? So that is class diagrams. Now coming to the data encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping up of data into a single unit. So we are combining the total data. Finally we are forming one class, that is Markov class, with using the object. So by using this entire code we are combining the total program into one single class, that is called wrapping up of data. That is data encapsulation. That's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.